you really don't think about QC until it's a problem, right? And you recently have an interesting story to tell, Scott, I think, on a project that you're on. We call it the
Yeah,
$200,000 mistake. Can you walk us
yeah.
through
There
that?
was a
What
there was
happened?
a data center that the contractor was using sensors, and the testing laboratory that did the work out there had a bad break, bad cylinders, which led to have questions. And the contractor needed to use this grade beam to put a load on there for a crane, temper a crane or cross over it. And they went to the expense because the cylinders were not giving the correct, giving data that they can trust. They literally went out there and cut cores as well. And with cutting cores, it's an approved method in ACI. However, when you're cutting the cores, you're using a saw, a wet saw to cut it, and then you're breaking it off, and then you got to bring it back. But you still have to prep that core that you took, a 5 day prepper. So you're pushing schedules back. So even when we did the strength of the cores, it was still not giving the value that they were looking for. And the contractor, when I was on this conference call with him, I says, "You have the break data right there. It's showing that we're exceeding the project specifications, everything complies." And the engineer of record is going, "Well, that we don't have those in our specs." I says, "No, but we put it in." The contractor said, "We put it in to verify and protect our own, and we do have the strength." Well, ultimately, they used the sensor data, saved over. They were going to tear out a 350-yard grade beam and push back the schedule another 2 to 3 weeks, because they were, and this concrete that they were tearing out wasn't even at this 28-day strength, design strength. So they were trying to jump the gun because of the schedule, but the sensors allowed them to keep it in, not removing, and saving well over $200,000 in physical cost as well as time. So sensors do play a vital component to quality control.